Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing a carbon fiber waterfall cover on a C8 Corvette. This is a cover that's made of real carbon fiber, it's not printed, it's real carbon fiber, and I'm going to put it over the waterfall where the phone charger is in a C8 Corvette. Let's get it installed and check it out.
This product arrives really well packaged to protect it. This is made with a real carbon fiber weave and has a high gloss finish on it to protect it. As you can see, the carbon fiber has been really nicely laid out. Here's a close-up so you can see it in detail. On the underside you have a 3M style adhesive. It's a very high bond tape. Here you can see the inside of the carbon fiber weave and the production date as well. To make the install easier, I'm going to put the top down on the hardtop convertible, and of course it looks great while you do it as well. So this is a 1LT model, which means the interior is very plain Jane, nothing exciting in there at all. To aid with ease of the installation, you just want to pop up this center speaker. Once you've done that, open up the center console armrest. Now what I did here was a test fit. I just want to make sure that it followed the contours of that center area of that waterfall perfectly. And as you can see, it looks great. Next, you want to really clean that area well. This is my go-to, it's a microfiber cloth and Meguiar's Quick Detailer. Now you're going to peel off the red backing off of that very high bond tape. I'm not going to make you sit through all of this, but just peel off the red backing tape. And so now you're going to just line it up, lift up that center speaker, feed it underneath, and then make sure that it sits at the bottom of the center console. And then you're going to want to just press it down and hold it in place for a bit. Make sure that it's really going to stick down well. Keep going over that waterfall cover with your hands, press it down, make sure it's stuck on firmly. And there you have it, it's now stuck down in place. The finishing touch is just to clip your speaker back down in place. As you can see here, it fits really nicely. It contours perfectly and there's not any of the plastic showing underneath. Here I'm just panning slowly so you can take it all in and see just how good it looks. I'm trying to give you a look at all the edges here so you can see just how well it covers. And here with the center console open so you can see that finished front edge. And here are some still photos as well so you can get a good look at all the close-ups, see what the edges look like, see what the finish looks like. Overall, really impressed with how this looks.
Again, this is a product that I purchased to see if it's worth your time and money getting one. Overall, I think this is a pretty neat product. It is real carbon fiber. It is not a print on top of ABS plastic. It fits really well. It's incredibly light. It has the 3M adhesive on the back, and you just clean the area, stick it down, and put it in place. It looks great. It's got a really nice finish to it. You can really see the carbon fiber weave in there. And overall, it makes a difference to the interior of the car. As I said, I've got a base 1LT Corvette, nothing fancy inside at all, so this just lifted the interior just a little bit. I think it's at a great price point as well for real carbon fiber. There's a link to the product in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.